Hello, welcome to Nana's Journey, and today we are going to assemble the sewing bee quilt. The first thing I'm going to do is attach these three stars together and attach them to the beehive panels. So I've decided to put these three blocks in the middle here, and then I need sashing on this one, but not this one. And then I have this sashing here and here. So I will attach these two. I will attach these, the sashing to this, and then attach the panel. The hard part for me will be balancing out the stars. Especially when I don't really have a big enough place to lay it out. But I could do it on the floor, but that hurts. So let me get this done and I'll be back. Okay, I have this middle panel together. So now we have three long sections. This section, and this section. And I am going to put a piece of sashing on the top and bottom of each section. Then I will have to figure out where the stars are going to go. I will make those rows and put them together, and I will be back when I'm done. Okay, right now I'm working on these 4 rows right here, and these are the rows. Okay, now I just need to put a sashing piece on one side of each of the blocks except the last block. That will not need sashing. So I need to get all of those done, and I will have those 4 rows ready. Okay, the top is all put together. We've got all the stars on and all the rows assembled together. I wish I had a better way to show you the whole top, but my grandson said he really likes it. My husband likes it, so 2 thumbs up from my 2 guys. So now I just have to sandwich the quilt, quilt it, and bind it. Okay, here's the backing that I bought for the quilt. The blues don't match exactly, but it is really hard to match up colors online. But it is pretty close, and I love this. I'm already trying to think of what I can make with this. This is Lewis and Irene, Threaded with Love, Honey Sweet. And it is very beautiful. It's a very soft blue. I love it. So this is the backing, so now I just have to sandwich it and quilt it. Okay, here we have it. The quilt is all finished. It's quilted and bound. And it's very cheery and bright. I really like it. And I want to thank you for joining me on this journey, and I hope to see you next time.